Siren! What are you doing? You want pistache? I got pistache. Come here. Little green bird. She's Spider-Man. Hello, birdie. Birdie. Hi. What do you think? You want pistache? Can you say hello? Can you say hi to them? Can you say hello? Hello. That's nice.
Wow.
Can you turn around so they can see you?
Wow.
Po5 subbed for the first time.
What do you think? Man, she dropped. Yeah, you got crumbs on you. You dropped crumbs on them. Do you say sorry? What's that? What was that? Oh! She bit my hat! Oh my god! She bit my hat. What type of Amazon is that? Siren is a blue-fronted Amazon. Whoa! She's a blue-fronted Amazon. She was a part of a breeding program at a zoo, but was not successful in that program. So she was left behind. Now she's here. What doing? I asked you what you're doing. Ah! What you doing?
For the first time.
Siren likes to sing. Can you sing your birthday shanty? Can you sing happy birthday? Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Yeah, good job. Ah! She's doing a lot of that like beak adjusting. It's strange. I'm not sure what's up with that. What? Whoa, oh, don't. She's gonna regurgitate. For me, that's what.
For the first time.
It's a hormonal behavior. They do that for mates. They'll like regurgitate and then eat it. So they'll throw up on you. I don't want that. Thank you very much, though. Mia, you want to come to the platform? Hello, Siren. Thank you so much, but I'm good. Mia, could you step up? That's nice. Do 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 do. There you go. There's Mia. There's Mia. You want pistache? Ignore the green bird, please. Just ignore it. You'll get used to it in a second. Don't worry about it. So this is probably a good time to tell you guys one of the reasons that we have the parrots. And that's to teach people, you're squared up right now, dude. It's a solid stance. We have the parrots to teach people about why they don't actually make good pets. They're very loud and they can live 60 to 70 years. And they can be really destructive. They can chew through wood and they can easily break skin and they can break your fingers. They can take fingers off even. And again, they live like 60 years. So a lot of people get parrots thinking they'll be really fun pets. And then they realize that they can't have that in their house for 60 years. And then they end up in rescues. But even then, the demand for pet parrots is so high that they still poach parrots out of the wild to sell in the international pet trade. So yeah, super sad. And it is affecting parrot populations worldwide. Mia is an African gray. and her species is endangered in the wild. Because of habitat loss, also because of the pet trade. Because this is a really common bird, these African greys, that people think they want as pets. But if I'm remembering correctly, their population has decreased by over 90% in the wild, which is really insane. I am live.
Hello, world.
It's my sister called.
How fun. Okay.
Do you want to say hi to Siren? Okay. She has a lot to say today. Anyway.
Alright, well, enjoy chores or whatever it is.
Okay, thanks.
Join chat.
Okay.
Bye.
Talk to you later. Love you. Bye. Siren! She wants to talk to you guys. What? You don't know. This whole time. This whole time she didn't even know. What do you think? Oh, she likes it. Don't bite it! Don't bite my phone. She only liked it for a second. Now she's over it. Birthday! Day! Birthday! 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 Go Mia! What do you want? No, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. You see yourself. What do you think? You think you look funny? What's so funny? No! Don't bite my hat! I do have pistachios for the macaws, but I'm not gonna feed them by hand because I'm scared. Hi, Tico. Oh, okay. Well, I left you something. It's up here. Right here. Okay, well, I was trying to give you something, but you don't have to take it. Mia keeps saying bye. Mia, you want me to leave? Smiley. Smiley wants a pistache. Very carefully coming out looking for the pistache. She found it. Very nice. Tico, I'm gonna put it over here. It's in here. That's nice. Siren. Oh my god. You keep saying bye. You want me to go? Yeah. And then you stay there. Yeah, stay in there. Nicer in there. Happy birthday. Okay, we're leaving, chat. We're leaving. We're leaving.